Hello, it's Georgia. Welcome to George Basics. First of all, I want to tell you guys that we need 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So if you like my video, you can click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go to our topic. In this video, I'll tell you guys how to buy million token on Trustwallet. First, I will mention that this is not financial advice, it's just a tutorial how to buy it. So if you decide to buy this token, you can close CoinMarketCap and now you should go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free. After you download, then go through verification and open Trustwallet. Now you need to buy Ethereum, because to buy a million token, you need to swap your Ethereum. Go to Ethereum, click buy, choose the amount and buy Ethereum to your Trustwallet. Now go back after you buy Ethereum and then go to CoinMarketCap again. Now you need to copy the contract address, which is here. Click the copy icon and go back to Trustwallet. So guys, now we should go to the apps and we need Uniswap. Go to Uniswap. Then you should click select currency, paste the contract address you copied in the CoinMarketCap, click import, and then choose the amount of this new token you want to buy and then swap your Ethereum to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.